In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in Zoho Books. If you want your customers to pay invoices online quickly and securely, connecting a payment gateway in Zoho Books is the way to go. Before we start, make sure you have the right permissions in your Zoho Books organization and that your browser is up to date. It also helps to have your business details handy, since some providers may ask for verification during their onboarding. First, open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho account and choose the correct organization if you manage more than one. After you land on your Zoho Books dashboard, give the page a second to fully load so all the menus appear. If you use a regional domain for Zoho, your URL might look a little different, but it will still load Zoho Books. Next, look to the top right of the screen for the small gear icon. This is the settings menu where you can configure all of your core preferences. Click the gear icon to open settings. If you don't see it, try maximizing your window or closing any pop-ups or banners so the top navigation is visible. Inside settings, find and click payment gateways. This section is dedicated to managing how your customers pay you online. When the page opens, you'll see options related to connecting providers, along with any gateways you may have connected previously. It's a good idea to pause here and review the layout so you know where to come back to later if you want to edit or disconnect a gateway. Now select the online payments area and click Setup Now. This begins the connection flow. Zoho Books will guide you through the next steps on screen, which typically involve choosing a supported provider and authorizing the connection. As you proceed, keep an eye out for details like supported currencies, transaction fees, settlement times, and the regions each provider serves. If a provider offers test mode, it can be helpful to use that first to confirm everything is working before you accept live payments. Also, read any prompts carefully. Some providers will redirect you to their secure site and then return you to Zoho Books once authorization is complete. When you finish the setup, you'll be brought back to the Payment Gateways page where your new connection will appear. From here, you can revisit this page anytime to view the status of your gateway or manage its settings as your business needs evolve. That's it. You've navigated to Zoho Books, opened settings with the gear icon, entered payment gateways, and started the online payment setup. You're ready to accept payments with confidence.